That works. See?
This is actually fun, like playing against people who at least like.
Michael, you give me a faulty gun. I would have like triple kills.
That's not mine.
I mean, I would rather it be not a bunch of 12-year-old kids running around and lose every time.
Okay, one more game if this gets unjammed. If not, I'll use
Why don't you use James's gun?
I'm
Pistol.
just glad y'all are like honest players.
That's what I used my other M4.
He's got it. Test it.
Okay, can I use Michael's
Somebody,
one too?
you shot me like.
You want to use this?
I want to
really
use
tight
your.
gripping.
ready?
Beautiful. That was
No, it's broken.
Broken? That way, when I just immediately, the second time we were talking
Really use that green one?
Yeah.
Now we might win.
It's full auto.
I know, apparently that thing's OP.
Yeah.
It's on full auto, just tap the trigger.
Okay.
Be nice.
Alright.
Beautiful.
You go full auto, I guess we'll go full auto like you.
Last game, Panhandle guys, go to the garage. Each individual person has 5 lives. To be back in the game, you have to be tagged back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back in.
On a teammate?
Alright.
Buy a teammate.